Hey, what's up, guys? Donnie here from Big Drone Flyer 77. And when we come back, we got the Syma x22w. I went ahead and put the 5.8 gigahertz FPV on it, so stick around. And welcome back, guys. Hey, today I went ahead and hooked up the FPV camera. This is the Syma x22w. This is the one that True Drone Reviews gave me, Brian. And I still thank him for this because I really enjoy this. It's a really cool quadcopter. I don't use the Wi-Fi camera. I went ahead and put the 5.8 gigahertz camera on this one. Since I had my surgery, I'm kind of homebound right now, so I'm able to fly this right outside the front door and go fly it in the front of my complex that I live in. So it's pretty cool. There's no soldering, very simple. Little Whoop battery, just a 1S battery, and I got that connected to this this 5.8 FPV cam. So really cool. It's 200 milliwatts. I got it set on. It's a 3-in-1, so I could go with less milliwatts, but I went ahead and set it on 200 since I was indoors and flying this outside of the house. So I'm using the record from that set of goggles there. So I did forget to redo the memory card, so I didn't format it to the goggles, so you may see kind of a double image in some scenes, but I think I got it pretty much edited out. So alright, guys, enjoy, check it out, try this at home. Very easy, simple, super fun, guys, and it can hold this. Any other bigger battery, I tried one that was a little bit bigger than that, and it was blocking too much of the barometer here, and usually I have this slid back, but it was just a little too heavy, and it didn't know how to adjust itself, and it'd keep kind of coming down. So this is a perfect setup right here for it, and it don't strain it out. It does really well. So alright, guys, hey, enjoy the video, and talk to you soon.